The following is a paid program sponsored by Big Y.
Hi there, everyone. Teresa Dufour here, and welcome to this edition of Live.Work.Play, sponsored by Big Y. Today, Big Y registered dietitians Carrie Taylor and Andrea Luttrell join us to talk about plant-based eating. So, Andrea, what are the benefits of eating plant-based foods?
So there are many benefits of eating plant-based. First, when you're substituting those plant-based proteins for the animal-based proteins, you're increasing things like vitamins, minerals, protective plant compounds, and reducing intake of saturated fat and cholesterol.
And by making the swap, you can save a lot of money since animal-based proteins tend to be the biggest ticket item on your food budget. So swapping out to dry beans, peas, lentils, tofu, seeds, and nuts is a really great way to meet your nutrition goals but save money.
And let's not forget about taste. Using these plant-based protein recipes, they really add a lot of versatility and flavor, like what we're going to show you today.
The taste, the most important part. Carrie, let's get to those healthy meals. What are you making today?
So today I whipped up a Mediterranean green lentil salad. And what you're doing is cooking the lentils in aromatic garlic with cinnamon and oregano to really get authentic flavors and mixing it with a lemon cumin vinaigrette. Now topped it with some cucumbers and red peppers, as well as Kalamata olives, some feta, and I'm going to finish it off with fresh parsley and mint. And then you taste it and see if you have to season with some pepper and a little more lemon juice.
Delicious and healthy. I love that. And Andrea, what plant-based recipe do you have for us today?
So today we're working with canned jackfruit, and all you do is take the canned jackfruit, take out these little seeds that are naturally found in it, and then shred it up as if it were something like chicken or pork. And then we can turn this into delicious pulled jackfruit sandwiches or tacos. All you do is you saute it with onion and garlic, and then mix in your favorite barbecue sauce, and you have a delicious plant-based meal.
Fantastic, ladies. Thank you for that. Maybe it's for Lent or just a healthier you in general. For these recipes and for more plant-based recipes, you can log on to bigY.com. And as always, thank you for watching this edition of Live, Work, Play.
The preceding program was a paid program sponsored by Big Y.